Welcome to a bird's-eye view of Sydney's evolving skyline. We are flying over the Parramatta River to check the progress of the Parramatta Light Rail Stage 2. This is a landmark moment for the Greater Parramatta and Olympic Peninsula. Below us, the centrepiece of the project is taking shape. The new 320-metre bridge connecting Melrose Park to Wentworth Point. This isn't just a rail crossing. It's the first significant bridge over this part of the river in nearly 40 years. Designed as a multimodal corridor, it will feature dedicated lanes for light rail vehicles alongside wide paths for pedestrians and cyclists. As you can see, the substructure is well underway, marking a permanent link between the north and south banks. Stage 2 of the light rail spans 10 kilometres, adding 14 new stops to the network. By bridging this gap, the project will transform how residents in Wentworth Point and Melrose Park commute, providing a direct, sustainable link to the Parramatta CBD and the world-class venues at Sydney Olympic Park. It effectively stitches together some of Sydney's fastest-growing residential precincts. As construction powers ahead in 2026, this bridge stands as a symbol of the 30-minute city vision. It's about more than just transport. It's about creating a more walkable, connected, and vibrant community. Thank you for joining us for this update. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow the journey as we track the progress toward the first tram crossing.